The world is changing around us, but it's at a pace that none of us will really notice until it's too late. You see, we as humans, we have a responsibility to keep our planet clean, but it's us that contribute the most to its inevitable downfall. We do this in ways such as taking a car for quick 2-minute journeys to the shop, or leaving our central heating on over summer. See, these activities, they release greenhouse gases into our atmosphere, trapping the hot air inside and creating a sort of blanket around us. I know what you're thinking, right? Warmer weather in Britain, what could be better? Sadly, that's not actually what happens for us in the Northern Hemisphere. See, that warm air melts our polar ice caps, which then sends more hot air up, sending the polar air back down, crashing back into Britain, making colder winters for every one of us. With the ice caps melting, many areas will be prone to more flooding, meaning that areas that were once filled with happy-go-lucky wildlife are now being torn apart by flash floods and heavy currents. Fly away, little ducky, before climate change gets you too.
If ducks flying away doesn't deter you from a cleaner lifestyle, maybe this will. This is a scale model of a seaside village called Blackpool, and in no more than 50 years, many seaside towns that you and I love will be completely submerged into water.
Scary stuff, eh? Well, sadly, melting icebergs aren't the only thing we have to worry about with global warming. Another one is forest fires. Fires that spread easily throughout the dry forests of the world, engulfing everything in their path like a giant flaming Katie Hopkins. These forest fires are often so out of control that they are called wildfires because they can sometimes take days for firefighters to put them out. What you see before you is a scale model of the redwood forest in Northern California. And you are seeing how fast these forest fires can spread within the first 5 minutes. They travel around 10 miles an hour depending on the wind, and it is mostly us that cause them by throwing our cigarettes out of the car window. So, as I was saying, do you really want to be the animal responsible for our planet's destruction? No, I thought not. So the next time your mother tells you to turn off the lights, say, "No, mother, I'm using energy-efficient light bulbs. Why don't you turn off your hairdryer and go stand in the wind?" Do it for me, mother, for my future, for all of our futures. Thank you.